Want to make your WooCommerce store more dynamic and personalized without coding? Today I will show you how to use the Dynamic Shortcodes plugin to display personalized greetings, cart details, and even custom discount messages, all dynamically. This plugin allows you to insert dynamic data anywhere in your WooCommerce store using curly brackets instead of traditional WordPress shortcodes. I am not affiliated with them. Let's dive in. Let's start with a simple personalization. We will greet login users by name, and to do this, simply add the following shortcode inside any text area or element. In this case, I'm going with a rich text in Bricks Builder, and I enter curly brackets user colon display name curly brackets, and this should state my admin name. Let's save it, refresh the page, and let's test out the front end. Welcome back, Natalie. And now when a customer visits the shop, they will see their first name automatically. Second example is, let's make the store more interactive by showing the cart total dynamically. And this is perfect for encouraging customers to complete their purchase. I'm in my product page and I just enter the following shortcode. We can mix together static content with dynamic content, so I enter your cart total, make it this bold. Then I enter curly brackets, and this time I'm creating a nested shortcode, and we can to do this with this plugin, this fantastic plugin. I enter column total sales, no spaces, one, and close brackets. Let's save it and let's check at the front end, right? Refresh the page, and there you have it, the cart total for this specific client. Dynamic Shortcodes and Bricks Builder Dynamic Data both handle dynamic content, but with key differences. Dynamic Shortcodes works across multiple page builders like Bricks, Elementor, Gutenberg, and so on, and supports advanced features like multiple filters, arithmetic operations, and conditional logic. Bricks Dynamic Data, on the other hand, is limited to Bricks Builder, allows only one filter at a time, and lacks advanced logic. And if you need flexibility across different builders with more customization, Dynamic Shortcodes is the better choice. My number 3 example is for something even cooler. What if I want to display a special offer only for wholesale customers? We can use this dynamic shortcode. With the if dynamic shortcode to conditional display or returning content based on a comparisons result. As I said before, we can mix together static content with dynamic content, so I enter special offer, special offer, and then I paste these conditional shortcodes like this. Let's save, refresh the page. Let's view at the front end. Special offer, you qualify for free shipping. Cool. Example number 4 is to formatting custom prices with ACF and dynamic shortcodes. I created an ACF field called ACF price associated with WooCommerce products. It's a simple number field. Let's insert it here. So I enter my shortcode, say this one, and with this ACF price, it retrieves the custom price field from ACF. Then we have the pipe symbol to format the number to 2 decimal places. It's perfect for custom pricing fields in WooCommerce product pages and ensures all prices look professional and consistent. My last 5 example is to displaying attributes for a specific product. Purpose is to retrieve and display product attributes like color, size, and so on for a specific WooCommerce product using its ID. So the product ID I will be targeting is this one, and the product ID is this number. ID 168, okay? And so for this, I used this expression, and let me break it down for you. So these shortcodes retrieves all attributes for the product with the ID with the number 168. It replaces the 168 with the actual product ID I want to target. Then we have the pipe symbol and the DOM, and this allows me to convert the attributes into a structured array so they can be processed properly. And for this we'll need to use the for function to loop through each attribute of the product and displays the key, which is the attribute name, color and size, and the value, which is the attribute values like red, blue, green, and so on. There you have it. For array, the array is blue, green, red, and for the values is the attribute values large, medium, and small. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to use dynamic shortcodes to make your WooCommerce store more powerful and dynamic. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments and I would love to help. Do you want a deeper tutorial? Let me know. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more WooCommerce and WordPress tips. Thank you so much for watching and happy building. See you in the next video.